This is a guide on replacing the front assembly on the Apple iPhone XS Max. For the installation process, we'll need the following tools: a heat gun, a suction cup, a plastic pick, tweezers, a small tri-wing screwdriver, a small flat screwdriver, and a small phillips screwdriver. The front assembly consists of the frame, the glass digitizer, and the LCD screen. You will need to replace the entire front assembly if any of these components are broken. Turn the phone off by holding the power and the up volume buttons and confirm the shutdown on screen. Remove 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone. Use a heat gun to warm up the adhesive around the perimeter of the iPhone. Place a suction cup near the bottom edge, and while providing some tension, insert a plastic peg between the display assembly and the main body. Gently move the plastic peg around the perimeter, separating the display assembly from the main body. Please note, there are cables located near the right edge of the phone, and there are hooks at the top edge holding the display assembly. Keeping that in mind, unlatch the top edge and open the phone to the right side. Now we have access to the connector shields. Using a tri-wing screwdriver, carefully remove 4 screws securing the large shield. Remove the shield. Next, remove the tri-wing screws securing the smaller connector shield. Remove the shield. Using a plastic pick, open the battery connector and bend the lead away. Pick open the touch digitizer connector, the LCD connector, and the front speaker and sensors connector. Separate the screen assembly from the main body. We will be replacing the waterproofing adhesive, so all of the original adhesive needs to be removed from the edge of the phone. Use tweezers to pick out the adhesive from the edge. This is the replacement display assembly. It does not contain the front speaker and sensors. We will be transferring them from the original display. Remove 3 tri-wing screws and unfold the speaker. Using a plastic pick, carefully pick out the sensors from their placement and separate the entire garland from the display. There is a small round gasket underneath that can also be transferred. Take out the new assembly and transfer the small round gasket. Place the sensors in their appropriate locations. Fold over the speaker and replace the 3 tri-wing screws. The waterproofing adhesive comes on convenient plastic sheets cut to the shape of the edge of the phone. Remove the backing plastic of the adhesive shape. Apply the shape to the perimeter of the phone, and using a plastic pick, press the adhesive into place. Carefully begin removing the plastic, making sure that the adhesive stays on the perimeter of the phone. Put the new display assembly to the right edge of the phone, and reconnect the touch digitizer connector, the LCD connector, then the front speaker and sensors connector. Carefully reconnect the battery connector. At this point, the new display can be tested. Put the display down and press the power button. The startup graphics appear and we can shut down the phone. Replace the small connector shield and secure it with 3 tri-wing screws. Replace the large connector shield and secure it with 4 tri-wing screws. To properly close the display, keep the position of the top edge latches in mind and start by latching the top edge. Then firmly press around the perimeter of the phone, snapping the display assembly in place. Replace the 2 pentalobe screws near the lightning connector. Remove the protective film, and we're done.